Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page for your business name easily and fast. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to change your Facebook page name, you have to log into your account that is managing, like an admin, your Facebook page. Otherwise, you cannot change if you have any lower permissions. You cannot change the name. You cannot change any URL if you want to. You only have to be an admin. So after you have logged into your account, just click here on any specific page that you want to change the name and log in. Switch now, which means that now you are logged in as your Facebook page. And then here you can go to settings and search the settings right here, name. Click on that first one, and right here you see that you have your name that you can view and even edit it. Now, pay attention that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. You can also add other names and then click on review after you have changed it. Also, you can change your username, URL for your Facebook page, and then Facebook will review it and will approve or not approve it if it's illegal by their guidelines. And that's it. This is how you do it. You can change your name and your username for your Facebook page. By the way, you can also see that this is a specific URL to get inside this specific tab in order to change the name. So just you can copy this, and after you have logged into your page, you can just paste this to your URL, click on enter, and you will be here on the same page. And this is how you do it. As you saw, you can change your Facebook page name very fast. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on our website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.